I have extracted the file. This is how it looks like. So let's go ahead and see what is the next step, like where we can sell it. So go to Google and search for Etsy. Okay, so whichever the country you are in, you can choose the Etsy shop. So currently, I'm choosing this Etsy India. All you have to do is sign up. So I have already just clicked on sign up button here. If you can see my account, I have already signed up. Just using the Google account, you can directly register here. That's it. So it looks like this, and it will show you what are the things you can sell using this. Just for the understanding, search for YouTube thumbnails here. Okay, and you can see the price list, like what is the current price people are selling, how many templates they are selling. So you will have an idea how much money and how many templates, like for example you have 10 templates, 20 templates, 30 templates, what is the price cost you're going to use it, and what are the different niches you have. So let us search for YouTube thumbnail once again. So I searched as YouTube thumbnail templates. Here you can see 30 thumbnail for real estate, and YouTube brand kit for 1323, 1431. If you are in US and different countries, it will be in dollars and other currencies. So here you can see 50 set of thumbnails, they are just selling it for 286 rupees. So it all varies depending on the niche, depending on the design. See, this is all fitness, so 562 rupees. And some more like DIY extremely popular YouTube thumbnails. So there is a whole set of kit people are selling here, and you can choose. I think the starting price from 500 to 1000, 1500 is the maximum range. We could see how people are selling 30, 20, 12, whatever the numbers we have. So you can just fix something between 500 to 1500, and then you can upload it. Now, it's time for the tip is what you can do is choose a particular niche. As mentioned here, you can create a whole set of thumbnails according to the niche. So this one says for real estate. Now, if you don't know what has been searched mostly in YouTube, directly go to YouTube. So I'm going to search as real estate. So you will get to see some of the real estate relevant thumbnails. How to invest in the real estate with no money. This is one. How to make money in real estate. Watch before becoming a real estate agent. These are the some wordings what you can add it on your thumbnail, but still the customer is gonna edit it once they purchased it. But you can have literally what type of a content or what type of a thumbnails is needed for a real estate niche or a business. Similar way, if you see, you choose one niche and search for the question in YouTube, in Google, in different platforms. Just search for that one particular word. What are the other questions people are searching for? Makeup, cooking, any other things. So just search for that and choose 10 to 20 headlines for your thumbnail, and then go ahead and start creating the thumbnails with the help of Canva. Let us see how this design looks in Etsy before uploading it. So let me click on this one, and you see these are the template previews inside this template. Okay, so you can take some inspiration from these designs as well before, like if you have no idea like what kind of a templates I can create it, you can just take inspiration from this, like you have so many there. And once you open this, it shows buy now, and you can click just pay and buy it. Let me click to see buy now. So we enter all the informations and continue. Once you finish the payment, we might get the templates editable format. Just add the text or the content on top of thumbnails and you are ready. Use Canva for designs. Use YouTube and Google to choose the right title for your thumbnail, and that's all. That's all is your creativity. You should be using it, and the remaining is your creativity. Then you can just come back and upload it. So let me show you how to upload it. Click on this icon, sell on Etsy. So you can read remaining all the details about like how much is the commission has been taken, what is the payment method, PayPal, all those things. You can just take time to go through this. Click on get started. Okay, so you can choose the language, like basically it's gonna be English most of the time, and we are in India, and the currency rate, everything. Which of this best describes you? I'm selling part time, full time, whatever the time. So I can choose selling part time, but hope it's a full time, and then save and continue. Now I can choose the name, like whatever is my name. So I can say that my name Shailaja, or you can choose whichever the name you want. Save and continue. Okay, the space is not allowed, so I will just remove the space. Shailaja MP without space. Okay. Now we can see it's asking for a listing. So if I wanted to choose the listing, how, what kind of a photo I wanted to add, all these things, you can just directly add the photo and save. You can also take a preview of like how it looks here. So once you uploaded the images, you can scroll down. You do have a video, like if you have any video templates, just read the dimensions and file size and all what is needed to upload here. And then look at the details about your product, what should be uploaded, like title, listing, who made it, what it is, when did you make it, category, what category it falls under, whether it's a physical product, automatic, digital, manual, all those things, and some more description about the product, what it describes, and how it helpful, something like that. After filling this, first thing is I have to choose it's my digital product. To get the digital product option, after you choosing this option as digital, go back to update the listing details, like who did it. I just choose the option as I did. What is it? You can just say it's a finished product, and you say when did you make it. You can say the year, recently 2022, and we already chose this as a template. Now let's go back and see if we can see the option of this digital product. Okay. Now in this digital product file, see here we are able to only upload the image of the design. So you can just take a snapshot or download in PNG and upload the designs of the images. But you can go ahead and show your downloadable link in the PDF which we created, the thank you card. Okay. So you this here you can up to 5 files you can upload. So maybe you can just create one beginning like a welcome card, and then you can have a thank you card. So in that thank you card, we do have our PDF. Now, after creating the templates, let's see how to sell this or how to share this to your clients. Now, remember one thing, we are selling this template by giving the option of how they can customize it for their own designs, colors, and images, whatever they wanted to make it. So this is going to be a customizable design. How we can give the access for your client to make their own customization with your existing templates. So we are not going to download this, but we have to share this particular Canva link so they can edit in their own Canva. Click on this share button. You have an option called template link. Do not directly share any other options because it might impact on your original design. We don't want the original design from your own Canva to be changed. So click on this template link. And now you can copy this link and give it to your client where you are selling. So in this way, they will be getting a fresh link which is not your actual link, but they can edit on their own. So when you click on this, they would get to see the option like this. Once I click here, it will take them to Canva. If they don't have, they can sign up a free account. So if you see here, it says YouTube thumbnails. This one says copy of YouTube thumbnails. So whatever the changes I'm going to make here, it's not going to impact here. Editable templates inside this Etsy. We saw how to share it from Etsy, right? Now we don't know where to share in Etsy. Let me show you how to upload it here. Now before sharing this link, let me tell you why I'm planning to do a PDF. Okay, before, see, we do not have option to share the link. Instead of that, we have to directly add some PDF. So for that, what we will do, we will add a thank you page. Let me search some templates of thank you page. Let me see only social media. Your story. So choose one of your thank you card, whichever the brand color suits for you. Customize this template. I'm just showing some of the example. I'm not doing it very perfectly. Please don't judge me on this one, guys, because I know this is not really good for the designs what we are actually working on. So just take it, because let us do it quickly how to create a thank you page here. So right now we do have a thank you. I'm not going to change anything here for your. So what we can do is, instead of thank you for your order, let me add this thank you for your order in one line. Okay, I have the thank you for order. Now, I'm going to add another line here. Click here to download the templates to customize. Because they're going to download the templates, and we cannot directly share the link. Instead of that, we have to, let's say, add a red color so people can see it. Let me add 30 font. After adding this button, I'm going to provide a link to this button. You can copy this link, click on share, copy this link, which is the template link, because see, this is our original link, this is the template link. Now get back to our thank you card. I'm going to select this text, click on this three dot, and you will see a link button, this one. So click on this link and paste the editable template link. Just click, automatically this will be saved. No need to worry about the saving option. And you can see there is an underline button here. Okay, so now we can download this to a PDF format. Click on download button, and we don't want PNG. Let us download it for PDF print and download. Now we will add this PDF to our Etsy shop, where we are adding all the digital products, right? Like we can add it. So let's open our PDF. Okay, here is our PDF. So if you see, it's a clickable link. So once somebody clicks on this, say yes, this is gonna take to our customization link. Okay, here you see, once I click on that, it took us to this link. So this is how we're gonna share our link, or a Canva editable link, to our clients through the thank you card. You can also add some sort of tags like hashtags, what we use in other platforms, similar way. These are optionals, whether you don't enter, and you can add the price here, like what is the price, number of quantity. Now if you have made 10 templates, you have made one template, you can just add the quantity, but per quantity. For example, one template you are selling it for 100 rupees. If they mention, like if they increase this to 5, then 5 into 100 is 500. And here you also have a minimum price and maximum price. What should be the minimum and maximum price range? If you have a different variation of your product, you can add this. And then delivery option, if it is a physical product, this is your own personal information, all those things. And finally, save as a delivery profile. So you can just go ahead and sell this by updating all this information. So when they make purchase by using this images, by looking at the images preview, like how it looks like, they will also get a digital files, like with the instruction, like what is there inside this file. And once they download, once they open this, you are also mentioning there inside this, say, click here to download the templates to customize it. So they are able to understand, yes, we can go ahead and customize it by clicking this, and they get the link here. I hope this video was helpful for you. By using Canva and Etsy, how you can create some templates and sell it by just working few hours without any experience, without any graphic designing. skills and without any prior experience and without any graphic designing skills, and absolutely for free. Please try out and let me know if you have further questions. Thank you so much. Have a great day.